Good morning, people. We are starting the day off with the same thing that we do almost every other morning. We at the gas station. Let's go. What are we wearing today? Origin Stories with the Travis Scott pink laces on one. What else we got? Some Supreme socks. It's gonna be a good day today. Low key, I just need to buy one of these, like full of gas, and just like leave it at my house, because I feel like I at least use that much gas every other month. This is some bullshit, dude. All right, guys, we got a motherfucking package. This is what we are doing today. Don't mind the mess in my car. I have a child. Boom, we got a light bar by LazFit. Thank you so much to LazFit for sponsoring the channel and sponsoring the video and giving me all this stuff to put on the truck. I really appreciate you guys.
Hello?
I love you. You guys are the best. So, 32-inch light bar. We are going to put this behind the grill, and we are going to make some custom mounts, because if you guys know me, if I feel like I can do it and I can make it, I'm not going to go buy from another company. I'm just going to make it myself. So, custom light bar mounts. We got the metal somewhere here. 1-inch strap should work good. So let's get to taking this thing apart and making this work. All right, well, that was easy. Got it off, just a few clips, nothing crazy. Clip right here, clip right there, 2 clips here, 2 clips there, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts here. Easy. Everything is a 10mm, and then you just yank it off. But here we got the LazFit bar. We are going to be mounting it about here. I want to say somewhere here. And we are going to be using this tab right here to utilize the factory bolts to be able to hold this on there. So we're going to get some cardboard, make a custom little thing, and then cut it out of metal. Let's get it. Look how nice this thing is. It's a spot flood combo, LazFit. Not too bad at all. I also got some plugs off of eBay that I'm going to use. Amazon, not eBay, sorry. That I'm going to cut up this tab and wire it to my factory fog lights, because with this bumper we removed the fog lights. So I want to keep it more factory, make it a little bit more clean-esque. Alright, so first look, I want to have it about here, so it like just peeks under the grill to kind of center it. Looks pretty center. Then I got to make a tab from this to this. So this is the challenging part, trying to bend some metal to make this work, but we'll be able to do it. All right, so this is what the tab or the mount is going to look like. So now that I got that kind of on, I'm going to take it off and then replicate it with metal, and then vice versa, do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so it looks kind of like shit now, but I'm gonna clean it up obviously when I'm done. But you guys can see that hole, boom, right there. It's kind of what it's gonna look like. Obviously, don't judge me yet. Judge me when it's done, because it looks like shit right now. That'll hold it where I need to, and then flip-flop to the other side. Boom, boom. That'll hold it exactly where I need it. So let's go, baby. We working on it. I'm not a professional fabricator, nor do I pretend to be or say I'm even good at it, but it's going behind the grill, so you can't see any of this anyway, so it's okay. But I am gonna clean it up, so just don't judge me yet. Okay, I had to leave to go to my daughter's friend's birthday party, so now we're back, and this, now you guys can judge me, is the finishing product. Painted it black, mounted it on. Should be a good enough distance so it doesn't hit the grill. It's pretty even, exactly where I wanted it. This one may be a little bit out farther than what I needed it to be, but we're gonna put the grill on and see, hopefully it fits so we don't have any problems. Now I'm gonna wire it, and then let me show you guys what I got for the wiring. I got some connectors from Amazon. Now these connectors, they're 3-prong. The light bar's only 2-prong, but it doesn't matter. I don't need to use all 3. So we got the connectors with the pigtails for both sides. So we are going to wire them to the factory fog lights, which I think the wire is hidden somewhere up here. I don't remember where, but I'll find it. Let's wire it so we can turn it on and see how it looks. There we go. Nice, tucked, sleek, and hidden behind everything. Perfect position. Let's unlock. Oof. Damn. That's so bright. Alright guys, so it is a little dark outside, but if you could see, just the headlights are on, and that's how much light it gives. Now let me turn that last fit on. Look at the difference. So that's just headlights, last fit bar. So you could see, it's kind of hard to tell because the GoPro's not the best, but all of this, so this is like all the flood light that it lets out. This is the spot that goes all the way down over there. I don't know if you can see the signs reflecting, but like it's super hidden back there. You can't really even see it at all unless you're in front of it and it's super bright. But just so you can get the idea of how far of a light this throws, it throws a lot. And on top of it, this light is literally like $98. Like, where are you gonna find a light for $98? One that is the quality that it is, with all the stuff that you need. And look how much it lets out. Like here, let me just turn the headlights off. So this is headlights off. My headlights off? Oh no, 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 they're not. This is headlights off, right? And this is the light bar. So imagine your headlights go out, you don't got nowhere to see. This is the light bar. Look how much flood it shows, and then look how far that spot goes. It actually goes very, very far down that hill. You can't really see it too well because the camera doesn't show it very well. But that's how you guys, you know, it gets a good idea. And on top of it, I wired it to my factory switch. Let me get some light in here. I wired it to my factory switch. So I put it, since I got rid of the fog lights for the bumper, I just hooked it up to, you can see, off, on, off, on, off, on. Even the little fog light thing on the dash flashes. So that's pretty badass. I'm glad that I was able to do it. And oh, I feel like I have to put the light on me. I was glad I was able to do it, and I was able to maintain all the factory stuff. It goes through the factory fuses, the factory switch, and it is as good as it is, and it looks as good as it is, and it was super easy of an install. It literally took me 10 minutes to pull the grill off, maybe an hour just making the mounts and custom doing everything and painting them, and then another 10 minutes putting everything back together, 5 minutes for wiring, and it was completely done. Just for shits and gigs, I'm gonna turn all the lights on. So let's turn on my headlights. We'll turn on these lights. We'll turn on my other mirror lights, and we'll turn on the pods. Let's see how bright this is. You guys didn't know the Silverados also have these. They only work when you're not driving. So this is pretty much all the lights turned on. Holy crap, it's bright. So yeah, this is the pods, the mirror lights, the headlights, and the front lights. That is a lot of lighting. I'm so glad I did this install. This one was a really good one, guys. Look at this. I can't even look at the truck because it's so bright. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll have the link to where you guys can purchase this stuff down below. If you go to my Instagram, it's also on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me get the channel to grow so we can keep doing this kind of stuff. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Peace.